Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing Glisten Glow's contribution to July's 2021 Polish Pickup Rewind. Glisten Glow is bringing back Truly Outrageous 2.0 from October 2020 and also bringing back Glitter Grabber for July's 2021 Indie Pickup. Both these items will be available at polishpickup.com and only from July 2nd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to July 5th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Truly Outrageous 2.0 is described as a blurple crelly loaded with various shapes and sizes of pink glitters and pink hollow glitters, and the blurple crelly base is just a tad more purple than the first version that was released in October 2020 for the animation theme PPU. The inspiration behind this polish is the popular 80s TV series Jem and The Holograms. The glitters in this polish are very well distributed throughout. I didn't need to fish for them or anything. I just shook up the polish before applying like I do with every other polish, and I didn't really need to do any glitter placement either. In 2 coats, the blurple base built up really nicely, just enough to completely cover my nail line while also allowing that first layer of glitters to peek through. When the polish is dry, the glitters definitely add some texture, which is where Glisten Glow's Glitter Grabber comes in handy. Glitter Grabber is a glitter smoothing polish that helps smooth out any texture from glitters, and it's applied after the polish and before the top coat. I've had some really thirsty glitter polishes that needed 3 or 4 coats of top coat just to be relatively smooth, and I didn't know I actually needed this product until I purchased my first bottle a little while ago. This makes such a big difference, and I have a full review of Glitter Grabber and a comparison to regular top coat, which I'll link below, but basically I'm going to apply a layer of Glitter Grabber over Truly Outrageous 2.0 and then a layer of Glisten Glow's top coat on top. Here you can see on the left are 2 coats of Truly Outrageous 2.0 on its own, and on the right are 2 coats of Truly Outrageous 2.0 with a layer of Glitter Grabber and top coat, and side by side you can really see what a difference that Glitter Grabber makes. So that's all for today's video. Again, both Truly Outrageous 2.0 and Glitter Grabber will be available at polishpickup.com and only available from July 2nd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until July 5th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price for Truly Outrageous 2.0 is $12.50 and the price for Glitter Grabber is $8, and there is no cap for either. I'll leave a link below to the Polish Pickup shop as well as my other Glisten Glow swatch videos. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!